I built this human-powered quadricycle back in 2007, and it's spent the last 14-15 years as a farm ute for my customer. As you can see, it's done some work. It's acquired quite a lot of corrosion, but it's actually in complete working order right now, which is quite humbling and nice. The customer sent it back to me for rebuild. He's quite elderly now, so it's going to get a whole bunch of upgrades, including electric assist, modern tyres, better hand grips, and a seat which suits where his body's at now, and obviously a rebuild and cleaned up.
G'day folks, you're on the Tri-Sled channel and this is Custom Built. So one of the benefits, which is often overlooked, of having something custom built by a Tri-Sled is that it can basically be rebuilt numerous times and last a lifetime. This is a great example of that opportunity. It's in quite good working order. It's time to save it, frankly. You can see there's a lot of corrosion on the main tube here from being left out, probably in a farm shed where there was quite a lot of moisture around from hay or whatever. And doing something now means this vehicle can basically go another 15 years, and this was really why we called it back in when he contacted us. We explored the idea of building him a new vehicle versus the old vehicle, and the sum of it was it made more economic sense and better value for him to rebuild the old vehicle, and to us that makes sense too. There's no point in wasting something which is perfectly good if we can actually enhance it to suit his current needs. We're going to tear this down now. It's going to get a full rebuild, this one, so we're going to actually tear down what we need off it to do the modifications, and then we're going to completely pull it down, have it media blasted, repowder coated, and just work through the process of replacing driveline components which might be too far gone, which probably won't be many, and fit the electric assist on this front. We're just going to fit a Bafang 250 watt. Nice street legal system. Probably put some better tyres on. Obviously tyres have gone a long way in 15 years, so thinking probably Smart Sams, Schwalbe Smart Sams at the moment. Just keeping to that width so that we don't do any major modifications, but just giving him a little bit more grip down in the paddocks. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get on with that now. Yeah, that's gross.
So if you like this build, or rather rebuild, you'll probably like some of the other stuff we've made. So like and subscribe and check out the rest of the channel. See you next time. Cheers!